Asana is an application designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their work, simplify team-based work management, and streamline your workflow. Turn client prospects, customer feedback, or form submissions into new tasks within Asana, and you'll never forget to action them. Automatically create flows and connect your Paperform to Asana. Here, we can see I've used Paperform's website evaluation form template. When a client completes the form and requests an evaluation report of their website, I want to create a task within Asana and notify the correct team member. So let's look at how we can achieve this. Please note that before we set up this integration, we will need to run a test submission on our form. This is so the integration can test a connection with real data. From the form editor, I'll head up to After Submission, Integrations and Webhooks. Below Direct Integrations, I'll click on the Asana icon. I will then select Create a Task. We will then be prompted to log into our Asana account. Click the Add Account button. This will open a new window prompting us to allow Paperform to connect to our Asana account. You may be prompted to log in and then click Allow. Next, we will need to select the workspace we want to create a task within. Then, the Asana project. Then, we will want to choose the section. And we also have the ability to create a subtask to an already existing task. Now, let's configure the task name. I'm going to use the process of answer piping. I will click the icon that appears on the right-hand side, which will display the question fields within my form. I will select the question field, Company Website. This will populate the response given by the submitter into this section, and so the task name will be their company's website. Next, I will again use the process of answer piping to select the company contact question field and display the submitter's response into the note or the description section. Now, let us click the Send Test button, and it is a success. Jumping onto my Asana project, we can see that a new task has been successfully created. The task name, penniespastries.co. This was the response to my company's website question field in my most recent form submission. And the description, penny@penniespastry.co. Now all that's left is to jump back into the integration setup and click Finish Setup. If we scroll down, we can turn this connection or integration off by toggling this button. And if we ever want to change the settings of the integration, we click the gear icon there. We hope this has been a helpful video. And if you'd like to learn how to connect any of your other favorite platforms to your Paperform, make sure to leave a comment. Good luck and happy form making.